The Indus Valley civilization has fascinated us all, and any new development is very important for students preparing for different competitive examination. Today, we will see evidence of dairy production in the Indus Valley civilization. The year 2020 marks 100 years of discovery of Indus Valley civilization, and a new study has shown that dairy products were being produced by the Harappans as far back as 2500 BCE. By analyzing residues on ancient pots, researchers show the earliest direct evidence of dairy product processing, thus throwing fresh light on the rural economy of the civilization. The studies were carried out on 59 shards of pottery from Kot Da Bhadli, a small archaeological site in present-day Gujarat. It is very important to know the name of the site. When we talk about Harappans, we always refer to the metropolitan cities and the big towns, but we have no idea of the parallel economy, agro-pastoral or rural. We know they had great urban planning, trading systems, jewelry making, but we don't have any idea how the common masters were living during the Harappan times, their lifestyle, and how they were contributing in the larger network. Explains Prabodh Shir- Shirvalkar from the Department of Ancient Indian History, Culture and Archaeology at the Deccan College Postgraduate and Research Institute, Pune. He is one of the authors of the papers published in Scientific Reports. How the researchers found evidence for dairy product processing? The team used molecular analysis techniques to study the residues from ancient pottery. Molecular analysis techniques. Pots are porous, so as soon as we put any liquid form of food, it will absorb it. The pot preserves the molecules of food such as fats and proteins. Using techniques like C16 and C18 analysis, we can identify the sources of lipids. The team was also able to show which type of animals were being used for dairy production. The team studied the tooth enamel tooth enamel from fossils of cattle, water buffalo, goat and sheep found in the area. Cows and water buffalo were found to consume millets while sheep and goats ate nearby grass and leaves. Finding the Harappans did not just use dairy for their household. The large herd indicates that milk was produced in surplus so that it could be exchanged, and there could have been some kind of trade between settlements. This could have given rise to an industrial level of dairy exploitation. The most fascinating thing about the Indus Valley civilization is that it is faceless. There is no king, no bureaucratic organizations, but there are these very close regional interactions between settlements, a symbiotic relationship of give and take that helped this civilization survive for so long. What is the main finding of this research? Number one, dairy products were being produced by the Harappans as far back as 2500 BCE. And second finding is the team was also able to show which type of animals were being used for dairy production. The evidence of dairy products have been found using molecular analysis techniques, and information about animal husbandry has been found using a study of tooth enamel from fossils of cattle. So here we have a glimpse of rural life of Indus Valley civilization. As we have heard of metropolitan cities and the big towns, of Harappan, and the site where this study was carried out is Kotda Bhadli in present-day Gujarat. These three four information is very important as far as present findings in the Indus Valley civilization. These three four points are important as far as evidence of dairy production in the Indus Valley civilization is concerned. That's all for today. Thanks for listening.